This video is about the slicer configuration. Here's a part that I have set up in Rapidier. Now I'm ready to do the slicing. So I'll come over to this slicer tab over here, and first I want to check the configuration. So I'll click on the configuration box, and the configuration window will open. My computer's a little slow. There it is. So now I want to check on the layers. Well, the layers generally I'll hold at 0.3 millimeters because I have a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, and that's about a good place. The first layer I want to make it a little smaller so I get good bed adhesion. Now normally I set the perimeter shells at 2 for both horizontal and vertical because most printed parts are not solid. Now we'll come to infill. If it's a structural part like this, then I'll keep the infill high. So let's say I keep it at 40%. And for a skirt and a brim, yes, I'll explain those in a moment, but I'll take a 2-layer skirt and a 2 millimeter brim. Support material I don't need in this case because I don't have overhangs. Notice I have modified something, so I'll change this and I'll save this, and now we'll go back and we're ready to slice. So I'll click on slice, and you can see we're changing from an STL to a G-code file, and here's what it looks like. It's going to take 14 minutes to print, and it'll have 1,300 millimeters of filament. There are roughly 17,000 millimeters per dollar for filament, so this is going to take 10 cents or so to pay for. Here we have showing out here, this is the skirt. This is used to prime the extruder so it flows well. And in here we have the brim, which is used to stabilize tall parts. In this case, it's really not necessary, but I wanted to show it. Now we can see what's going on inside by showing the layer range. So here, let's go back to the first layer, and there you can see the first layer is coming down. It's just these particular paths. Now we'll continue on up. Notice it's showing crisscrossing, and this is the infill. So now we're going to go notice that over here, we're starting to make the hole. So we'll continue on and go up in layer by layer, and there you can see it's going up and it's making the hole, and it's continuing. I'm clicking on it now. Okay, so there's the visualization of the part. Now when we go to manual control during printing, you would see the actual layers going down as well. Okay, and that's the end of this video.